One is you have height emitters are female and female students, so then they are emitters. Two randomly selected male are taller than twice a randomly selected female. So I can let F I let F and M be the heights of a female and male respectively. Okay, so this is F, normal distribution 1.6, and this is 0.04, and M, normal distribution of 1.75 and 0.05. Two randomly selected male. How many males are involved here? Two. So this one you need to know is M1 and M2, they are involved. Twice a randomly selected, a randomly selected female, this is one F1. Only one F is involved. Okay? Twice means times 2 lah. So essentially, taller lah means taller than this. So this sum it up. The required probability is M1 plus M2 taller than 2F1. If you want to put F1, but you don't put a 2F1, it's also okay. So this is P M1 plus M2 minus 2F against 0. Ta-da! Good job. Keen calculator should get the answer. You just M1. Twice. Maybe a yay. Yay. Normal CDF 0. Then mu is 7218. So the second one, right? Usually students fumble is because of this one here. This is cm. Okay, you look at it carefully. Second one is 20 cm, right? The other one is in meters. Your distribution is in meters. So just make sure you change it. This is a very common trick teachers use to set question. So for the second one, the required probability. Yeah, go ahead. You want male taller than a female. Male taller than a female by at least 20 cm. But you need to be careful. This is PM minus f taller than 0.2. Okay, change it. Yeah, it's here for a reason because it's just to trick you. So this will be yay. Good job. Okay, then key in calculator. Okay, 0.4338. Okay. Okay, part 3 can guys, okay, this is a common mistake. This is a very common mistake. The difference in height between a randomly selected male and female is more than 30. So the common mistake that students always write is this one. Difference in height is, they write it as P, what P M minus F. PM minus F is more than 30 cm. This is wrong, Okay. This is, why is this wrong? Yeah, you only assume male is tall. This isn't assume, you assume male is taller. Okay. You don't give a chance for female to be taller. I mean, in real life, we know that that's not true, right? Okay. So when you see the word difference here, just take note. Please highlight this one. This is modulus. Okay. You have to consider modulus. So difference means modulus. So part 3, the required probability is where you want the difference between them to be more than 30 cm. Okay. So this case here will be 1 minus P M minus F less than 0.3 lah. Like that. I like to do left tail because this is easier. Essentially, this means M be bigger or F minus M is bigger than 30 lah. Okay. So you this means this to this or this male taller, female taller. Okay. Just remember that then you can just get I think M minus F is the same distribution as previously, right? Okay. Yeah. Normal CDF. 0.3. 0.3. There we go. Three 7.534. So part 4. Now what does part 4 mean? Take note part 4. Part 4, the height of two randomly selected female both exceeds 1.5. You need both to exceed 1.5. Both, okay? Meaning when you do this, right? The first girl can be more than 1.5, not more than 1.5. The second girl also have the chance of more than 1.5, not 1.5. It's actually a tree diagram. Okay, be very careful. You want it to be more. This one is the taller than 1.5. Of course, this is less than 1.5. Both have to be more than 1.5. Okay, the difference between what do you call it? 4 and 5 is actually the difference is quite stark. So you need to understand, you need to collate what you want. The required probability is actually this one, this branch here. You need both of them to be taller than 1.5 meter. Okay. So this case here, what we get is this case here will be the required probability. Will just be P F bigger than 1.5 times PF bigger than 1.5. So it's actually just you can put this one. Okay, this is it. 1.6. Lower bound is 1.5. 10 to the power 99. $69146. Sorry. 47812. For part 5, you read carefully. The total height of a two randomly selected female is more than 3. So in other words, the required probability here, if you pick 2 women out, okay, 2 female, F1 plus F2 is more than 3 meters. You get what I'm saying? Alright. This is what's happening. You need the sum of them adding up will be bigger than 3. Okay? So this part here, try and understand that. So I think it's pretty okay lah. So in calculator, normal CDF, lower bound will be 3. 3.2. 76025. For 3SF. Okay, 76%. Okay, great. Okay, here. Now the last part is to comment why is there a difference between this. Actually, why is there a difference? Okay, so a neat trick is look at this diagram here. Let's say there are a few cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Let's say for case 1, you pick the first girl, height is 1.48, 148 cm. Then the second girl is 170 cm. Does it satisfy case 3? No. Does it satisfy case 4? Yes. Because you sum them up, you use more than 3. This one here, does it satisfy case 3? Yes. This one here, satisfy. This one here, it doesn't. Then of course this doesn't as well. Because both is less than 1.5. You add up, it definitely be less than 3. Then this one here, satisfy both. Okay? Now what you realize is that if you satisfy... Oh, you can also satisfy... Sorry. This last one, can I change it? Change this to 49, then 70. So this will be... does it make sense? Okay, this one will be... Doesn't satisfy and satisfy. what I need now? I need to satisfy the last. Oh, okay. Now you realize that if you satisfy the third case, you definitely will satisfy the fourth case. Essentially, what you're looking at is right. If you look at the Venn diagram, case number 3 is actually a subset of case number 4. Then 3 is just a special case of part 4. So this is like, yeah, that. So essentially, the of course you will expect the answer in part. Am I using the right weeks? No, I'm not. Check. This is 4. This is 5, right? So this is 4 and 5. Sorry, this is 4. This is 5. Okay. So you expect the answer in case 5 to be bigger than 4. Okay. So it's not surprising that part 5 is 76%. Part 4 is only 47.8%. Understand that? The question is asking you why part 5 answer is bigger than part 4. No. This is just for revision. So when you type it out, this is what you do. Just write down that the cases in part 4 is in part 4. Part 4, yeah, is a subset of the case part 5. Okay. Thus the you just need to write that one is subset of the other lah. Okay, so this is a common question in exam, so just make sure that you understand the concept there.